Hey everybody, thanks for watching. If you like what we're doing, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell. We don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Today we're cutting all these bars, narrowing them up. We got us a jig made here to cut them and put them back in. And put them back together in. We got little notches so when we weld it, we can spin it. So we can spin it while we weld it. Just something we patched together. Alright, let's get some of them cut and put together for y'all. Alright guys and gals, alright, what we're doing is we're pulling a chalk line so that way we can see our center, so when we cut it out we can line it back up. Alright, so I didn't think about it, but it's got to bolt up on the end here. We didn't think about that, but the chalk line's taking that out the picture. So when we cut a section out of here, when you put it back together, just line your chalk lines up. Let's go get this one cut. All right, we got us a template piece here, so we can. I'm just gonna scooch by first. Move it out the way. All right, there's one mark, and slide it till it touches that mark. Alright, there's our two marks. We're going to cut it there and there. And this here will be excess that comes out. Let's go cut it. Alright, tighten your clamp. Alright, mash your safety and bump it through it. Got that one cut. Let's set it up in our little jig. Alright, we got to grind it though before. I was just showing y'all the jig. Alright, fixing to grind the ends of them clean and a little teeny bit of bevel on them. Alright guys, I'm going to take the taper it and clean the end of it up. Looking good for the camera. You ready? Alright y'all, that's what we're doing today. We're fixing to get us in a routine here. I'm going to do the cutting and the beveling. He's going to do the marking and the welding. See, I just set them back in there and lined them up. I'm going to try to record him a little bit, spotting this one together. Alright. Turn it some so it don't pull. Push it back down. It ain't ground in our jig good. It's good, go ahead. Where's the arcing go?
There's arcing on there.
y'all. Y'all got an idea of what we're doing today. Appreciate you watching. We'll see y'all on the next one.